Good morning, fellas. Power Angels. It's January, I think, 29th, 2023. Blue! Halika, Blue! Blue! This is Blue. Harutan. Maaga pa ang harutan. Sleep like Pinky. So refreshing. Si Golden. Si Blue. Paborito nila ang flower pots ni Dada are, look at them. Sleep like an angels. The daddy. Oh. Playtime. Hi, Degs. Hi, Degong. The king of the house. Four angels in action. Look at them. So curious. So curious. Hey, Pinky. Golden. January 30, 2023, for Angels breakfast, rice with fish. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Be grateful always for what you have. Yellow, see blue, whitey, purple, reddish, golden, and pinky. Sleeping for angels. Sleep like angels ang isa dito. Nagdamgo ang isa. Puti na ambush na mga four angels. Look at them. Akala mo'y gutom na gutom. My goodness, my. Puri usog. feel they need mommy's milk. Mommy, Puti, you are the best. You are the most beautiful mom. God will bless you good health and a happy, beautiful life. Puti, baby. Okay, bigyan kita ng snacks. Oh, happy breakfast. Power Angels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have her pinky, blue, blue. No, 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 no. No, wag ilagay ang paa sa loob. God bless everyone. Good health and a beautiful, happy life. The birds are singing. Pinky, Pinky. Blue. Ano yung kinakain nyo? Hey, reddish. Ayan, si Whitey, the cutest. Ito naman para siyang brown bear. Mashallah. Kuryosog. Kuryosog si Golden. Kuryosog si Golden. My Power Angels. At Sir Arman's home. God bless you more. Especially good health. Have a beautiful day, everyone.